Hi, I'm Artificial Fire Tiger and I've been producing music for many years, and I want to share some experience and tips with you so that you can improve your music. So take a listen to this beat, and we're going to recreate that beat, but we're going to do some very clever stuff in terms of we're going to be able to create variations of the percussion elements very easily and very quickly, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're in Ableton, and the way I'm going to create this percussion is using a Ableton for Macs device called Sting. I will put the download link in the video below, in the description, the metadata of the video, and you can download this yourself. And what it does, I've just set it up here, and I'll put the a bass in here, and I'll play it too. And it's for generating different types of MIDI for basses. I said basses. But we're not going to use it for that, we're going to use it for something else. So we're going to delete this off, and we're going to create a drum rack. So we'll just drop a drum rack into our project here. That will create an empty drum rack for us to play with. And we're going to send the data from this Sting into this drum rack. So we'll select the Sting and we'll choose Post Effects, because that's the only channel where the MIDI data seems to come through. And now when we play the project, we can see that we're getting MIDI data triggering on our drum pads. So what we now need is some drums to put into here. So if we add a couple of congas, let's just choose some random congas. I'm just trying to find a few, say these ones, and drop them into here. This will fill out your drum pad with a bunch of congas or any samples you like. So now when we play it, it's kicking off the conga beats. So what we've got is a way of changing percussion quite quickly. And it's quite pot locker whether you're going to get an interesting beat or not, but you can play around with this. And the density is how many notes it's going to generate. So if you reduce the density, it's only going to create a few notes. And if you put it up to a higher one, it's going to generate more notes. So why is this useful? So if we bring in another beat, so let's just fire up this one. So we've just got a deep house beat. And you see the conga is now sitting on top of that beat. And already we've got something potentially usable. So I'm just going to go in here and vary up this deep house beat, so you can just kind of see how quickly it is you can create these different variations. So in a combination of using the drum monkey and this random generator, you can get a lot of very interesting sounds. So here's a deep house beat, there's our congas playing on the top. And if you want to vary up the sounds created right from the conga, you just spin the dice. And there's a lot of interesting sounds that you can create. So deep house tends to have a very swing feel to it, so there's also a swing option within Sting that you can then set. And if you're, say, doing something slightly different, say more 4/4 without swing, say a techno beat, so there's no swing on this one, we can obviously take the swing off. So hours of fun of creating different varying beats until you come across something that you like and is interesting. You could even put some swing on into techno if you wanted. And the swing just means that the off beats will be slightly shifted, creating a kind of a swing effect so they're not hitting directly onto the grid each time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll make more triptych. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll provide more videos. Don't forget to put some comments if you've got ideas. This trick is something that you think is a cool idea. Share it with me. I love to find information. I love to learn. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Enjoy.